Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing review, pretty much a bit of a triple threat again, but this time it is of the, again, Revolution, the Eye Defining Kit. Ooh. So this was actually a present from my bestie, Phoebe, so shout out to you, girl. I don't even know if you're gonna watch this, but oh. I literally am in love because I've been really getting into like eye shadows and like all of that stuff recently. So in here we get a nice palette which has actually got 4 quadrants. So you can go for an easy daytime natural eye, an intense smoky eye, a dramatic metallic, and a bold cut crease. So I'm gonna have a little bit of a play around with this. Definitely want to try the smoky. I'm not sure if I can do the cut crease, I'm not very good. But we'll see what we can do. It also comes with 3 lovely brushes. So we've got a flat eyeshadow brush, an angled eyeshadow brush, and a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. I'm pretty sure that that's the blending brush, but I don't know. I don't know makeup really. We also have the Focus and Fix eye primer at the bottom here, which is cool. I have got a lot of eye primers now, which is awesome. Not complaining about that because you kind of need them. But yeah, so I think we should just crack this open. Just trying to claw away at this little sticker here. So yeah, we have it here. It is the eyeshadow palette. I think we should just break it open and just take a bit more of a look into it. So you see we've got our natural quadrant here at the top. Some really lovely shades through there. Our smoky eye, which has some more like a mixture of lighter and the darker colours, and then really natural smoky eye. We also have our metallics down here, which are super shiny and pretty bright, I'm not gonna lie, look at that. And we also have our cut crease. I do want to try a cut crease one day, but I'm just really nervous that I'm gonna ruin it. I need to like play around with it. So overall, some really lovely colours in this. A nice variety of like different looks, and it's not that like bulky. So you can totally like travel, and there's 4 looks in there. I mean, actually probably a little bit more than 4 looks because you can like mix and match and make it your own, but like 4 distinctive styles, that's the one. So we've also got the eye primer here. Just, you know, generic, kind of like a concealer. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about that, but we have it. And then our trio of brushes, which, oh my god, feel so soft. I need to get some more like Revolution based brushes because these are honestly to die for. They are so soft and they're so like sturdy. I love them. But anyway, I've already, as you can probably tell, got like my base done. So I'm kind of just feeling like jumping straight in and just having a little bit of a play with this. Don't expect anything too dramatic or crazy because this is my first time actually trying out these products. And I'm also not a qualified makeup artist. I just kind of dabble with it in my spare time. But yeah, I think we should totally just give it a go. So to begin, I'm just going to chuck on some of this primer. So I think the first one that we'll do is we'll try out this Smokey Palette. and just kind of see what we can get, really. Okay, so that is the smoky eyeshadow done. It's very nice, very like metallic, boom. So I think I've come to my decision. I'm actually gonna just go with the natural side and just kind of do a comparison of like nighttime and daytime. So let's do that. Okay there you guys, so yeah, we've got the finished product on both eyes now. So we have our more, you know, smoky, aggressive eye, and then our like more subtle, everyday wear eye. I really love both, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like with just like a few products, it just boosts, you know, completely boosts and changes the look. I might actually put some mascara on and just, you know, finish it off a little bit just to, you know, amp it up, and then we'll take a little bit of a look at the actual final product here. So here we have, you know, the full regalia look. Really love this product actually. It's super cheap, really awesome to get your hands on. So make sure that you are heading down below and get your eye makeup game strong. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into this, and I really do hope that you have enjoyed this. If you have, make sure to let me know by giving me a little thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you did also enjoy this, or if there's any recommendations that you have for future videos. I'm always open to suggestions. But anyway, I hope you have a lovely Friday, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.